Presenting the Shark Ion Flex 2X. The freestanding, cord-free vacuum that can live anywhere because it has 2 rechargeable batteries. That means you can always be charging, even while you're cleaning, with Duo Clean, Multi-Flex, and powerful suction. So you can go and go and go again. Welcome to hassle-free runtime with Shark.
Bacteria. We spray, we sponge, we wipe. But what about our carpets? They may look spotless, but there's potentially harmful stuff deep down. Bacteria that can't be removed by vacuuming alone. The new Vax Platinum is our best ever carpet washer, cleaning 5 times better than an A-rated vacuum. Fill the tank with water and add Vax cleaning solution. Then Automix does the rest. The mix is pumped into the carpet as our brush bar and patented spin scrub technology agitate the fibres. Then up to 93% of bacteria is sucked away. The Vax Platinum cleans carpets better than the leading rental. The pre-treatment wand targets busy areas, while the spin scrub tool and hose give upholstery, car interiors and stairs a deep down clean. To keep bacteria at bay, vacuum and use your Vax Platinum regularly. When you're done, remove the dirty water and tip it away. Then your carpet's dry in as little as an hour. It's the easy way to leave your carpet fresh and clean.
When we designed the Symphony, we didn't want to compromise vacuum cleaning power or steam cleaning power, so we didn't. Here we have 2 vacuums set up. A very popular stick vac, the Electrolux Ergo Rapido, and here we have the Symphony. And on the floor, we have a heavy mixture of sand, aquarium rocks and screws. Let's give it a go. As you can see, the Symphony gives you truly outstanding vacuum performance. Over here, we have a seriously greasy, dirty mess and a Shark steam mop. The Symphony actually gets hotter faster, and you activate the steam using the steam trigger built into the handle. The steam trigger means you have continuous steam if you want, or you can turn it off. Let's begin. The Symphony also directs all the steam to the floor, with steam coming out evenly for excellent cleaning power. Here you can see that the Shark side has left behind heavy streaks and a greasy residue, but the Symphony side is clean. With the Symphony, you don't have to compromise. You get outstanding vacuum performance plus outstanding steam mop performance, and you get it all in one machine.
The Rug Doctor Institute of Clean is proud to introduce the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Cleaner, the next generation in professional level cleaning power we put in your hands. Our first priority in developing the best ever Rug Doctor rental machine was making it easier to use. The Pro Deep Cleaner cleans both forward and backward like a vacuum cleaner. It also features an easy grab handle for quick transport and separate easy to remove clean and dirty water tanks. We've added indicator lights to tell you when you're out of cleaning solution or when there's a brush roll jam. Best of all, the Pro Deep Cleaner packs all the CRI Platinum certified power you expect from Rug Doctor in one sleek, lightweight package. It features 20% more suction power than ordinary rental carpet cleaners while weighing 15% less than the competition. You won't find power like this outside of a professional service, and you won't find more affordable pro-level cleaning power anywhere else. We've also made the Pro Deep Cleaner more versatile than ever before with 3 motorized attachments for cleaning upholstery, laminate, hardwood, tile and grout, stairs, car detailing, and a wide variety of hard and soft surfaces all over your home. The Rug Doctor Pro Deep Cleaner and its versatile attachments, new from the Rug Doctor Institute of Clean. For a cleaner tomorrow.
You can assemble your Power Scrub Elite in a few quick steps. First, push the handle onto the base. Insert both screws and secure with a screwdriver. Then tilt the clean water and solution tank into place. Before you deep clean, move any furniture out of the way and use your vacuum to remove any debris. Now press this latch and remove the clean water tank. Twist off the water cap and add warm water up to the fill line. Then remove the solution tank cap and add Hoover solution up to the fill line. Secure both caps and return the tank to the base. Choose your cleaning mode and then set the wash rinse dial to wash. Step here to turn it on. Step on the handle release and pull back to start cleaning. Slowly move forwards and backwards while squeezing the trigger to release clean water and solution. Now release the trigger and slowly move over the same area to pick up the dirty water. Carpet cleaners require slower strokes than a vacuum, so try to remain slow and steady, and aim to overlap strokes by at least 1 inch to prevent streaking. Never squeeze the trigger for more than 4 passes on a single section to avoid oversaturating your carpet. Now set the wash-rinse dial to rinse and repeat the process over the same area to remove excess solution. Be sure to end with several dry strokes without squeezing the trigger until little water is picked up. If you notice the motor sound change, your carpet cleaner will stop picking up water because the dirty water tank is full and needs to be emptied. To clean upholstery and stairs, set the dial to wash, open the hose connection port and insert the hose. Twist it clockwise to secure. Open the solution port door and firmly push in the connector. Slide your desired tool onto the hose, then press the trigger to release water and solution. Release the trigger and scrub to clean. Then tip the nozzle forward to pick up the dirty water. When you're done cleaning, always make sure both tanks are empty, rinsed, and dry before storage.